Do what you can. These are weekly actions you can take to help save the planet. This is number 4 and it's part 2 of Be Prepared. So I'm going to tell you what I keep in my kits, but I'm also going to throw around some Australia-wide statistics. In my bag at all times, I have a drink bottle. Australia consumes 1 billion plastic bottles a year. That's 3 million a day. So let's change that stat. Let's carry around our drink bottles with us. That stat is exactly the same for plastic bags, so I carry around this and I use it all the time. But you need to just do this maybe. It's a plastic bag with a rubber band. Very functional. We use 370 million single-use coffee cups. I carry this cute little kit around. It's got knife, fork, spoon, napkin, and it even has straws. Now straws, we use 10 million of those a day in Australia. These are little teeny ones, but if you like juice and bubble tea, you can get big ones and you can clean them with these. So they're really easy to reuse. I find it hard to remember to say when I get a cold drink at a cafe, please no straw, or I've got my own. But you can do better than me at that. I carry around a 3-year-old, so I carry around a wet cloth and a bag, but maybe I will do this as an adult also because it is really useful having a wet cloth at all times. You can just rinse it in the bathroom. There's bathrooms everywhere. So, I also have a kit in my car. You might have a bike kit. In this kit, I have everything for my family. So I've got 3 of these. I got 3 of these. I got knife, fork, spoon, straw, and napkins. And if I go to a restaurant, I can put takeaways in here. I went to a festival and I took some of those, and enough of these for my ladies. And we hardly took anything single use, which was really delightful. 130 kg of plastic per person per year gets consumed. That only 12% of that gets recycled. So if you do take it, please recycle. 130,000 tons end up in our oceans, and so let's change that. If we all do what we can, we'll do all right.